DRDO has already invested over 3,000 crore rupees in the Kaveri engine program, and after the French company Safran had asked India to invest close to 6,000 crore rupees for reviving the Kaveri engine program, the DRDO is now considering having discussions with Britain's Rolls Royce. Officials have said that the Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets will be powered by the American-developed F-404 engine, while the medium combat fighter jet will be powered by F-414 engines, and the prototypes of AMCA will be equipped with F-414 enhanced engine, which will be ready by 2022. British Defence Secretary Sir Michael Fallon had already offered to jointly develop a new engine with India, based on the Eurojet turbofan engine, which powers the Eurofighter Typhoon. Interestingly, the Eurofighter has also been offered under the new MMRCA tender, and the UK has also invited India to co-develop a sixth-generation fighter jet called the Tempest. The CEO of Russian state defense exporter Rosaboronexport has said that Russia will present the export versions of its Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet and the IL-112VE military transport aircraft at the MAKS 2019 air show on the 27th of August. Rosaboronexport has specified that all documents necessary for exporting the Su-57 are ready, and the aircraft will be offered to foreign customers like India and China. The Ministry of Defence has clarified that there is no proposal to privatize the Ordnance Factory Board, and that the government is considering plans to turn the Ordnance Factory Board into a public sector unit, which will be fully owned by the Defence Ministry. This is in the interest of Ordnance Factory Board, as it will provide operational freedom and flexibility, and the interests of the workers will be adequately safeguarded in any decision taken on the subject. Reports indicate that the current production and in-service J-20 fighter jets are powered by variants of AL-31 engines of Russia. The J-20 has not been test-flown with WS-15 engines, and the WS-15 is certainly not approaching mass production. The WS-15 might have been fitted on a J-11B for testing, and it is important to state that the WS-15 engines will likely be ready to equip the J-20 by the mid-2020. India has started work to build 12 high-speed patrol vessels for the Vietnam Border Guard, which are being built under a contract signed between the Vietnam Border Guard and the Indian company Larsen & Toubro. The deal is part of India's $100 million line of credit extended to Vietnam in October 2014, and these ships will be playing a key role in strengthening the bilateral defense relations of Vietnam and India. An Indian Army team has secured the first position in the 5th International Army Scouts Masters Competition 2019, which saw the participation of 8 teams from foreign countries. Uzbekistan secured the second position, followed by Russia on third, while China came at the 4th place. Officials have said that the Indian Army team was selected and trained for a period of 10 months, in extreme weather conditions for the competition.
Omar dropped it.